Hello, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Veronica, the crochet pattern designer behind Gångknuten. I love to talk about everything yarn, crochet and amigurumi related, and that is exactly what we are gonna do in today's video. In this video, I am walking you through every fall and Halloween crochet project that I have ever done. So if you love amigurumi and want some inspiration on what to make this fall, buckle up because you're in for a treat. I'm hoping to make a Christmas project video later this fall as well. So before diving into this video, let me know in the comments if that is something that you would be interested in watching. Let's start off with the first project, or maybe project group, pumpkins. And by the way, I will leave all the links to all of the patterns down in the description if you find anything that you would like to make yourself. I made 3 different pumpkins several years ago when I wanted to make some new autumn fall decorations for our apartment. Unfortunately, I can't for my life find these amigurumis, but I will put a picture up here in the corner so that you can get a vision on how they look like. These pumpkins are made with cotton yarn and a 3.0mm crochet hook. I especially like the butternut and the delicata pumpkin, which you don't really see as often as crocheted versions as the usual orange ones. This is Nelly the spider. I don't like spiders, so I thought it would be a great idea to try and cure my phobia for spiders by crocheting a cute amigurumi version with a goofy collar. That is also why she has socks on her 8 legs. Did it work? Nope, but it was fun to make and I got a cute spider out of it together with a spider net that is perfect as a decoration for Halloween. Nelly is made with Alba cotton from BC Garn and a 3.0mm crochet hook, if I don't remember totally wrong. The third Halloween and fall project is Flora the bat. I love hosting mystery crochet alongs, and in 2021 in October I hosted a Halloween themed mystery crochet along where we discovered Flora the bat together. Her name comes from her love for flowers because flowers attracts mosquitoes and ants, and she is a little bit lazy, so she has made a scarf with flower petals to attract mosquitoes and other bugs so that she don't have to hunt for them herself. She's a little bit lazy, but I think it's a very cute backstory that she has. Flora is also crocheted with Alba cotton and a 3.0mm crochet hook. A couple of years ago I crocheted a candy corn amigurumi toy for our dog Saffron. I wasn't expecting her to basically destroy this toy as fast as she did, so unfortunately I don't have the physical amigurumi here today, but I'm gonna pop in a picture up in the corner. The amigurumi is crocheted with some kind of cotton scrap yarn mix and a 3.0mm crochet hook. If I would do this again, I would probably go for a bit of a thicker cotton yarn and a larger crochet hook just to make it a slightly bigger size and also a little bit sturdier, especially if I would use it as a dog toy. The next one is Luna the cat. I couldn't really decide if I should add her to this list or not, just because, yeah, I don't know. For me, cats suits to the Halloween theme, but maybe not the autumn. But then she was orange, so I thought she would work pretty well in this category. Luna the cat is inspired by my boyfriend's childhood cat, Luna, who one day came home with a grilled fish that she had stolen from their neighbors. That is why she has a fish scarf because it's the stolen fish that she has now carrying on her neck. I really love her tapestry crocheted body that has moons on it, together with the really cute blue fish scarf. I really feel like it ties together the entire amigurumi so well. Unfortunately, this amigurumi has been played with a little bit too roughly, so she has been stretching out a little bit, and the scarf is also longer than it was when she was just made, but I do love her anyways. Luna is crocheted with a 3.0mm crochet hook and the cotton yarn Alba. Next thing up is probably the item that is most crocheted during fall: mushrooms. I have made some fly agaric mushrooms and a chanterelle, and the plan for these is to hang them in my Christmas tree when that season comes. These mushrooms are made with karma cotton and a 3.5mm crochet hook. If you want a project that is really quick and fast and easy to wrap up, I highly recommend you to make some tiny little mushrooms. Next up is these ghost buddies with dangling legs. I made these last year. I have had this idea for a ghost that can sit for a while now, and last year I finally made them a reality. These ghosts are made with karma cotton and a 3.5mm crochet hook, and they come with 3 different accessories: a witch hat, a pumpkin, and a donut. These guys are now a permanent addition to our fall and Halloween decorations, and I especially love the donuts because, I mean, ghost loves donuts, don't they? It looks so cute. This spring I decided to make a new fox. I have made a fox several years ago, but I didn't ever really like how the head turned out. So this spring I made a new fox, and this is how she turned out. Her name is Alice, and I really love the new face look on her. Also, she has tapestry crocheted triangles, but it looks like dots on her tummy, and a really fluffy tail. She is my second amigurumi made from wool yarn. This is a merino DK sock yarn from Säje Wool, and the white yarn is actually a cotton yarn from Järbo. So this is a mix with wool and cotton. I wouldn't recommend mixing different fibers with each other, especially if you are gonna play with this and maybe throw it in the washing machine. But if you're just gonna have it as a desk buddy, for example, it will work fine. This yarn is hand dyed, and I really do love this color. It is like a rusty orange color, and because it's hand dyed, it is not 100% solid. You can see a little that it shifts in places, which I really love. I am pretty sure I have crocheted this with a 3.0mm crochet hook, but I am not really sure because it's way bigger than my usual sitting amigurumis. I do think though that it is due to the thickness of the wool yarn, which is a slightly thicker yarn than the cotton I usually work with. The next amigurumi up on my list is Elton, the squirrel. Fun fact, he's named after my nephew Elton, who actually started school this year. Elton has his own backpack that you can take off and that you can actually open too and save some trinkets in, which I think is a really fun detail. Due to his tail, he can't wear his backpack on his back, but he can put it on his tummy. And for traveling, we know that this is also the most safe way to wear your backpack. So yeah, I really love how he turned out. He has some tapestry crochet dots on his body, a really big and chunky tail, and the size is just perfect to have as a desk buddy. This is crocheted with Alba cotton and a 3.0mm crochet hook. Next up we have Henry the Hedgehog. On the topic of perfect desk buddies, this is also the perfect size to have as a desk buddy. Henry the Hedgehog is named after my grandfather Henry, who loves to be in the nature and out in his forests. I've also crocheted some leaves because this Henry also likes to play in leaf piles during autumn. I can't, for the sake of it, find the third leaf. There is like 3 different leaves. But yeah, I found 2 of them at least. I can put in a picture where you can see all the 3 leaves and Henry in his full glory up in the corner. Henry is crocheted with Alba cotton and a 3.0mm crochet hook, and he is a really easy and quick make. Last year I hosted a mystery Halloween crochet along for my Happy Amigurumi Club members. If you don't know what the Happy Amigurumi Club is, it is a community for amigurumi nerds like myself. If you have heard about Patreon, this is kind of my version of Patreon. Inside the club you will find fellow amigurumi lovers and you will get access to exclusive patterns, crochet alongs and challenges. We also have movie nights once a month where we watch a Disney movie and crochet together, and a crochet and chat live stream, and we also have our own Discord chat where we talk about everything from amigurumi to pictures of our favorite 4-legged family members. So if you love amigurumi and are looking for a community or just want to support me and what I do, come and join us inside of the club. I will leave information about it down in the description. Back to what we did inside of the crochet along last year in October. We crocheted together this little fellow called Vona the Witch. This is my first ever amigurumi doll that isn't an animal. And I really love how she turned out. I like the fact that she has striped leggings on and a fluffy skirt. You can also take off her collar if you want to. And she comes with a hat, of course, because she is a witch. Vona the Witch is also crocheted with cotton, Alba cotton and a 3.0mm crochet hook. This is my 11 favorite fall and Halloween crochet projects that I have made. I really enjoyed sitting down here today and talking with you, and I would love to hear which of these amigurumis that was your favorite in this video. And I would also love to hear from you if you would like a Christmas version of this video later this fall. I'm really looking forward to chatting more with you in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and spending some time with me. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!